Hello guys, welcome back to Zeke the Programming Guide channel. In today's video I will show you how to set up your homepage in Chrome. So first thing you have to do is open up your Chrome browser. Once you open it up, you are going to go straight to this three dots right here. Click on the three dots and go straight to help. Click on help and you're going to see about Google Chrome. Click on that. Once you click on this, you're going to see your updates. It's going to check for updates, and if your update is not up to date, you have to quickly do that. So once you're done here, go back right here and you have to go down to settings. So once you open up settings, this is what you should get, right? So on the settings menu at the left side of your system, you're going to see where it says on startup. Click on that and this is how it should look like, right? So you're going to see where it says open new tab, continue where you left off, and open a specific page or set of pages. So first of all, you have to go add up a new tab, right? And right here you're just going to search for Google, right? Like this. No, sorry. Okay, just going to close up all this. Oh my god, very long. Yep, I'm going to delete, and this should be what, yep, it should look like this. And you're going to go straight to the settings again and you're going to click on open a specific page. You're going to click on add use current page and it's going to show you this. So you're going to click on this and you go right here. So once you're here, you're going to tap on this and you can see it's Google. That is the search engine, but you still have to go back and you're going to see search engine. Click on search engine and right here you can see, okay, go back and you're going to see change. In case if you have not been using Google, you can quickly change it to Google and you're going to set it as default. So once you set it as default, you're good to go. So you can see this is the Google homepage. That is your new setup homepage on your Chrome. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching guys. That's my next video. Bye.